Welcome to another episode from Borden Bakes. Today's recipe is Raffaello Cheesecake with meringue. If you love our recipe, simply subscribe to our channel below for recipes each week. Let's get to it, guys. You will need 200 grams of coconut biscuit, 1 food bag and a rolling pin. Using your rolling pin, smash up your biscuits. Add your biscuits to a large bowl. Then add 40 grams of melted butter. Mix with a spatula, making sure the butter coats all your biscuit. Using a 9-inch cake pan, add the crushed biscuit. Again, using your spatula, smooth out the surface and press the biscuit against the pan. Place in the oven at 180 degrees C, gas mark 4 for 10 minutes. When you've finished, place in the fridge to cool. Meanwhile, in a large bowl, add 750 grams of Philadelphia, 65 grams of icing sugar, combine all together using a hand or stand mixer. Next, add your gelatine. This was a mix of 4 teaspoons of gelatine and 4 teaspoons of hot water. Whisk the gelatine into the mix until thickened. Next, add 360 grams of cream. In this recipe, I used a combination of thick cream and whipping cream. Slightly mix with a spatula. Then add 8 chopped Raffaello chocolates. Mix again with your spatula, then with a hand or stand mixer. Remove the cake pan with your crushed biscuits from the fridge and pour over your cheese filling. Spread the cheese out and level off the top for decoration. Place 8 Raffaello chocolates on top of the cheesecake. Then add 8 mini meringues. Using your piping bag and small nozzle, pipe your cake with white chocolate drizzles. Lastly, sprinkle with chocolate shavings. Why not? The last thing to do, grab a spoon and dig in. Please remember to subscribe to our channel below for more of Borden's Bakes.